Hey everybody, this semester we are using a new resource called Hypothesis. What this is a resource that will let us edit documents together instead of trying to have discussion boards and copy and paste information in. So when you're in an assignment or a module and you notice it's a hypothesis, I wanted to walk you through how to use it. The first one you will see is this engaging inquiry introduction. It gives you the directions here. Read the introduction from engaging inquiry, make 2 comments of things you notice, and then respond to 2 peers. So I'm going to click into the link and it'll launch me to this activity without you having to log in too much elsewhere. And you don't have to go to another website with a code or anything. It's just a direct link. It gives you directions over here. It tells you how you can create your annotation, how you can highlight, which is something that would only be visible to you. So if you only highlight, you don't get credit. You have to comment as well. And then it tells you how to reply to people. So as I'm reading, if there's something I want to highlight and annotate to add my comment to as a class discussion, it's pretty simple. I'm just going to select the text like this. And then I can either annotate, which is what goes to everybody, or I can highlight it, which will just stay with me for, I can look at it later and I can reference it if I need to use it for my writings or anything. So the miracle of language is its flexibility, its ability to adapt to so many kinds of human experience, to so many human purposes. All right, I'm going to add a comment to this and say something like, wow, this is really true. I think about how I adapt my language depending on whom I'm speaking to, and I've never really noticed the differences. What a great point. Okay, and so I've made my comment and now I'm ready to post it, and away it goes. If someone else wants to come to me later and respond, they're just going to hit this arrow and they'll be able to respond to me, and then I can keep going from there. Oops. I also can just highlight, like I said, if you're studying this for later, I can highlight like this. No one else can see it. You'll see that my highlight showed up here as only me. If I want to go back, I can select it and delete it. All right. So that's how we can do it. You can always, there's stuff where you can add tags, like say we're all talking about the humanities. So maybe I want to add a tag. I could do humanities like that, and then I can update it as well, but that's not a requirement for this source. If you're in here and someone else is updating, you'll get a little icon right here. That'll be like a red refresh button, and you can click on that and their new annotations and comments will also show up. I think this is a really cool new piece, and if we use it and don't wait till the last minute to engage with it, I think we can have a lot of neat discussions where we can see how others are thinking and what stands out to them as they're working. So I can't wait for you guys to use it, and if you have any questions, just let me know.